Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another tutorial. Well, I was in the process of doing these sunset floral nails and they were turning out really pretty, and I just know that somebody on Instagram is just going to send me a private message and ask me to recreate them, because this is what always seems to happen to me. So I have one nail left to do, so I thought I would just no, I lie, I removed this one so I could show you how I did them. So I will fly through it because it'll be really quick and simple. So we're going to start off with a white base coat. This is just Wild White Ways by Essence, and the two colours for our sunset we are going to use this yellow and orange by Catrice. The yellow is called Don't Judge a Nail by its colour, and the orange is called Work Hard, Play Orange. And we will do the little floral stamping over. Now the white will not be fully opaque, but it's just to mute down that nude gel I have on my nails. Now I'm just going to apply a clear top coat over it. I'm really sorry, I seem to be off screen, off camera a bit on this video, but you get the gist of what I'm doing. Sorry about that. So this is our big image we're using from the Stampin' Plate HK08, and if I can find it below I will link it. It's just a cheap generic plate I got off AliExpress, and we are going to stamp with some black stamping polish. I'm going to use Hit the Bottle this time, as always, all the time. So top coat, clean up, and that is how simple these nails are. So here are the final images. I hope you guys like them. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm really trying to grow this channel. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.